What's up and welcome to Rad Potential. Today we've got a pretty easy one. I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel speed sensor for pretty much any modern BMW. Ask what is a wheel speed sensor? Here's what it is. It's basically just a cable that sees the wheel speed, you guessed it, and direction of the wheel, and it helps ABS, traction control systems work in the car. So let me show you what we're dealing with. So one day out of nowhere I was driving the car and the dash lit up with all these lights. I've got an ABS light down here, I've got the traction control light, a brake sensor, which it's parking brake on now, but as you can see it's yellow brake light and the ABS light. So all those lights came on, and then I plugged my E82 sensor into the car, scanned the codes, and let me show you what I got after that. So I scanned the codes using this Torque app. Get it on the App Store, whatever App Store you use, and a Bluetooth dongle. And you can see wheel speed sensor front right, start direction, yada yada yada. So I went ahead on FC Bureau, bought myself a new wheel speed sensor, and now we're gonna jack it up and show you how easy it is to replace. So like I said, I think this one's gonna be super easy. Popped the wheel off, came back here, and instantly saw the wheel speed sensor. You can see it looks just like this one that I got in the box. It starts up here in this little box. There's two little things here will pop off full of rocks. So this will pop out and we'll unplug that. And then it's just fed in here in these little holders. There's a holder here, one here, and then it wraps around the strut down here, and it looks like maybe a 4mm, and then it goes into the back of the hub. So you can watch me pull this out live and stick the new one in. See if my guess was right. I guessed a 4mm, might be a 5. Or even a 6, I was wrong. No, I think it's a 5. Yep, 5mm Allen. Comes right out. There you have it. Easy peasy. So now we'll do in reverse order. Stick the sensor back in, put the 5mm bolt in, wrap it around the strut, put it in the holders. And we're done. I'll put the wheel back on, go back inside the car, and we'll have to probably move it. It'll probably have to catch one rotation before the codes will disappear. So I think that should be it. I'm back in the car now. I'm gonna fire it up. The code, I'm expecting the code to still be on, and then once it registers the new speed sensor reading appropriately, that code should disappear, or all the lights should disappear rather. So there, still showing the codes. Back up and see what happens. Okay, well, I might have to drive it more than I think. I'll drive it down the street and see if it disappears. And there we go. I'm gonna turn the AC down. It's 90 degrees, so I got it cranked. Barely got out of the driveway, and all the lights went away. So, mad success. There's a quick, easy fix, just like I suspected. This should be exactly the same for any, this is a 1 series. It should be any 3 series, whatever, any modern E90, E82, generation BMW, 5 Series, E60. I'm sure they're all the same. Anyway, hope you learned something. Hopefully you feel comfortable tackling this one at home. Super easy. It literally took me maybe 20 minutes jacking the car up and all, sweating my butt off. But anyway, thanks for following along with this one, and keep it rad. Go check out some of the other stuff if you want to see some more cool BMW stuff. We got a lot of cool BMWs sitting in the garage, and let me know if you got some ideas for what to do with them.